This particular FX tool was very large, so when we build and design the FX tool for a customer, we also take in consideration transportation. This video here shows how we're able to move our FX tool from the truck to the machine to set up for vacuum forming. Here's a picture of the completed vacuum form assembly using our FX tooling and our plug assist. The plug assist, as you can see, has the Z-rails that are attached, and this is for being able to raise and lower the plug into the FX tool. Once we have it set up into the vacuum forming machine, we do a couple of dry runs to make sure that the FX plug and FX tooling both align properly. Here's how the FX tooling and the FX plug work together to form a part. The plug is lowered into the hot plastic. The FX tool is then raised into the hot plastic where they both meet each other. The plug helps bring in the plastic so vacuum can start. And here we have essentially the result of the FX tooling and our plug. The nice thing about the way we made this particular part was that we have a lot of peaks and valleys that need to have plastic form into them. So once we were able to design the plug based off of the FX tool, the outcome obviously was a nice part that shows the complexity of our FX tooling and plug design. Here we have a graph from the Catalysis Additive tooling chart to show that the FX tool took about 2.5 weeks to complete from design, and the next side over is the conventional way of building a tool, and as you can see, that is between 6 to 8 weeks. So the FX tooling benefits obviously show that there are less lead times and quicker parts can be made. The customer that we're working with on this particular pallet tool had previously gotten a conventional tooling quote, and comparing that price to our FX tooling, the FX tooling was actually 40% less than that of the conventional tooling. And obviously, if you look at a tool this size, the bigger the tool, the higher the price tag. So 40% of a high price tag can really help the customer save a lot of money in the long run.